Supplemental list. Item number 1.
Please, ma'am. There are no bail petitions. In both the sub-items, the petitioners are in custody, my lords.
Receive the case diary. It was earlier rejected or what?
No. First time. Coming up for the first time, but probably because of the fact that your lordship has dealt with.
No, there is a item 3445 of 2018. In the cause list, it is mentioned.
Seudako, they are cases relating to co-accused persons.
That learned seniors are rely upon the co-accused who has in the similar footing have released on bail.
The order rely on similar footing.
This ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସେ ଆଗ ଗୁଡାକ କାହାର କଣ 4 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ ତା ଦେହରେ ପିଟିସନର୍ସ ଶ୍ରୀମତୀ ମୁନି ଆଲିଆସ ମୀନା ନାୟକ, ଅଞ୍ଜୁ ନାଗ, ଶାନ୍ତିଲତା ଆଲିଆସ ଗୌର ନାଗ and ଇନ୍ଦୁ ନାଗ. So they were granted bail or ladies level. Yes, yes, Mr. Pandit. So,
Lords, this.
of the bail application, there is only one.
Yes, my lords.
Okay, so this Upendra Nag
My
is
lord.
in custody since when?
15/7/2023.
What about the other one?
Other one is in custody since 8/7/2023.
8/7.
Lords, this arises out of an FIR.
Just 1 minute. What are the offences under which charge sheets are submitted?
Offences, my lords, under which charge sheet are submitted are 147, 148,
Yes,
452,
yes,
302,
yes.
436,
Uh,
149 IPC, 25 Arms Act, 341, 307, and 379.
341, 307, 379.
My lords.
So what is the name of the deceased?
The deceased is, my lords, Shankar Mukhi.
Date of occurrence?
Date of occurrence, my lords, is 2/4/2018.
2/4/2018.
My lords.
So if you are the charge sheet was submitted against you showing abscond or what?
Oh no.
Yes.
Charge sheet was filed.
Yes, absconder charge sheet.
Initially.
The person Vicky Vanchar, Upendra Nag, Hardeep Singh, that
charge sheet was filed showing
absconder.
When that charge sheet was filed?
The charge sheet has been filed on 30/7/2018. 30th July.
So what is the prosecution case and what are the matters?
Yes, I am submitting. But on the same day, 2 FIRs have been lost. One has been registered as Town PS case 115 of 2018, my lords.
This case arises out of 116.
Yes, this arises out of 116. Now in 115, the allegation is that the accused persons in that case, who are antisocials, my lords, they entered into the house of the informant there, that is Gauri Nag, and assaulted her son Sudip Nag in front of the fire brigade office in the morning. And these accused in Town PS case number 115, they were noted antisocials, and the main accused was also in custody in connection with preventive detention, my lords, also. So after this Sudip Nag was assaulted, the villagers, my lords, in a group, They went into the house of the present deceased, my lords. That is the current FIR. And it is alleged that,
You are coming to the FIR of this case.
yes, my lords.
Page 10.
Yes. Page 11 is running. I am sorry. Yes.
No, 10.
Page 10.
The FIR says the brother of the deceased is the informant.
Now ji Bhola Mukhi.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭୋଳାମୁଖୀ ସେ କହିଲା ଆଜି ତାରିଖ
2/4/2018
2/4/18 ସକାଳ 7 ରୁ 8 ବଜେ ଭିତରେ ମୁଁ ଏବଂ ମୋ ବଡ ଭାଇ ଶଙ୍କର ମୁଖୀ ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଆମ ପଡାର ପୃଥିବୀ ବେହେରା, ଯୁବରାଜ ବେହେରା, ରାକେଶ ମୁଖୀ, ବିକି ବଂଶର, that is the petitioner in the second matter, then Upendra Nag in the first matter, Surendra Nag, Kalasandha Biren, Hardip Kumbhar, Sunit Nag, Suraj Naik ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ପ୍ରାୟ 30 ରୁ 40 ଲୋକ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ମାରଣାସ୍ତ୍ର ଧରି ଆମ ଘର ଭିତରକୁ ପଶି ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତ ମୋ ବଡ ଭାଇ ଶଙ୍କର ମୁଖୀକୁ ଘର ଭିତରୁ ବାହାରେ ଟାଣି ନେଇ ଖଣ୍ଡାକୁ ଭୁଜାଲି ତରୱାଲରେ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରି ଭାଇକୁ ଜୀବନରେ ମାରିଦେଲେ, ଆମ ଘରକୁ ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଇଦେଲେ। ଏଣୁ ଲେଖି ଜଣାଉଛି ତଦନ୍ତ।
So this man, this is one of the eyewitness.
Yes, my lords.
Others of the
Other eyewitnesses are there. Injured is also there, my lords. And
they have stated same thing. Or
no, what they have stated is, here, my lords, all these 40 persons have been omnibussly alleged as assailants.
Yes.
But in course of investigation, what has happened is that the witnesses have specifically implicated the two petitioners before your lordship. Yes, I am submitting. Your lordship may see Cheru Kalet.
Cheru
Kalet.
He is one witness. Who is else?
Then, my lords, Shambhu Mukhi,
they are the eyewitnesses who made specific overtake against these two petitioners.
yes, my lords.
So what they have stated?
They have stated like this.
When their statements were recorded?
Statements were recorded on the same date, 2/4. ମାନେ କହିଲେ ଆମର ପଡାର ଉପେନ ନାଗ, ବିକି ବଂଶର ଓରଫ ନାଗ, ପୃଥ୍ୱୀ ବେହେରା, ଯୁବରାଜ ବେହେରା, ରାଜେଶ ମୁଖୀ ଏଟସେଟ୍ରା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନାଁ କହିଲା। ଏମାନେ ମିଶିକରି ଶଙ୍କର ମୁଖୀର ଘରକେ ଢୁକି କରି ତାକେ ଭଟାକେ ଘିଚି ଆନି କରି ଉପେନ ଆଉ ବିକି ଖଣ୍ଡାଠି ତାର ଦିହି ସାରକେ ହାନି ପକାଇଲେ। ସେ ତଳେ ପଡି ଛଟପଟ ହୋଇ ମରିଗଲା। ସେଠୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଚେରୁ କାଲେଟ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଶଙ୍କରକୁ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ଭାବି ତାକୁ ଉଠେଇକିରି ନେବା ବେଳେ ଉପେନ ନାଗ ଖଣ୍ଡାରେ ମୋ ହାତକୁ ଚୋଟ ମାରିଲା, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ରକ୍ତ ସରସର ହୋଇ ଜୀବନ ବଞ୍ଚାଇବାର ଲାଗି ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳାଇଲି। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି 307 ସେଥିଲାଗି ଲାଗି।
What about the PM report?
PM report, my lord, shows injuries. There are incised injuries, 15 in number, 15. My lords, on the all parts of the body. But there are some aberrations also.
What is the stage now?
Stage, my lords, now it is awaiting CE report and MOs are being awaited.
No, I was going through the previous orders.
My lord.
I think
your lordship had called for a report from the sessions. That report is there at flag D.
On 13/9/2024, the order was passed that one Cheru Kilot is the eyewitness to the occurrence. State Council, on the other hand, submitted that there are other eyewitnesses to the occurrence. I said that here he is to verify and give a list of eyewitnesses.
And what about the Status report টা ଅଛି in between flag D and flag C.
এটা হচ্ছে 27/8/2024 ର ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ହେଲା, ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇନାଲ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ବି ହେଇଗଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଫାଇନାଲ ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ପରେ କେସ୍ କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା, କମିଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକିନି କେସ୍ ଅଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେସନ ଜଜ୍ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରରେ।
କେସ୍ ଅଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପୋକ୍ସୋ କୋର୍ଟ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆଡିସନାଲ
ତାପରେ ଆସିଲା ପୋକ୍ସୋ କୋର୍ଟକୁ। ଆସିଲା ପରେ submission of MOs and C report for consideration of charge। এটা হচ্ছে 27/8/2024 ର
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ରିପୋର୍ଟ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ପୋଜିସନ?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇନି।
ନାଇଁ ନା ମାନେ ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ୍ ହେଲା ନା ନାଇଁ?
ନା ହେଇନି। That's me.
So why are you not producing the C report? You said the other day that those injured and eyewitnesses should be examined. I asked you to furnish a list. Now this matter is getting delayed because your IA is not producing this MOs and C report for consideration of the charge.
Lordship may take up 1 week after, or I will take detailed instruction what are the development made in between.
He has to appear in person that through the virtual mode, that IU of that case, and also ask the এটা C ପାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ଯାଇଥିଲା?
এটা ମୁଁ ଆଉ କରିପାରିବି ଦେଖୁଛି। ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଫରେନ୍ସିକ
ସମ୍ବଲପୁରରେ
କେତେଟା ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି ତ ଏଠିକି, ମାନେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉଟା ରିଜିଓନାଲ ଇଏ ରହୁଛି ଏଇଟା SFSL କୁ ବି ପଳେଇ ଆସୁଛି। ତେଣୁ
Lordship may there some other day so that
ଯୋଉ
ନା
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ର ସବା ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବ
ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ
ସେଇଟା
ଦେଖୁଛି।
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ଜଣ
ଏ ଫରୱାର୍ଡିଂ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଥିବ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଏକ୍ଜିବିଟ ର ଗୋଟେ।
ଖାଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି from the spot for C and opinion.
ସେ ଲଗାଇ
Sent the same with C.
sample collected by scientific team from the spot for C and opinion made କରି that the journey
ଯୋଉଟା ଥାଏ ଫରୱାର୍ଡିଂ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କୋର୍ଟ ର ପଠେଇଥାନ୍ତି ତାକୁ, ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ that forms a part of the
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ତ
ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଫରେନ୍ସିକ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଲାବୋରେଟୋରୀ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର।
RFSL ହବ, ରିଜିଓନାଲ ଫରେନ୍ସିକ ସାଇନ୍ସ ଲାବୋରେଟୋରୀ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର।
The reports are there. The reports are there.
କୋଉଠି?
I have got Xerox
Then
copies.
why he said that?
Lords, appropriately would your lordship keep this to a week after? Let me find out and check what is the current status.
Because what if the charge has been framed? We can call him that in 2 days he can produce those that Cheru Kellot. I would have considered.
There are about
some
lords,
the number of
5 to
eyewitness
6 witnesses who have specifically stated like this.
number of
ସେମାନେ ଘିଚି ଆଣିଲେ ଓପେନର ବିକି ଖଣ୍ଡାଥି ତାର
ସ୍ପେସିଫିକାଲି କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏକ୍ସାମିନ କରିବା। ତ
5 to 6 5 to 6 Rajeshwari is there।
ହଁ ନାଇଁ
ମମତା
ସେଇମାନଙ୍କର
ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ୱିକ୍ ପରେ ଆସୁ ମୁଁ ତାହେଲେ ଦେଖି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏଇଟା ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବାହାର କରି ଯୋଉଟା ବାହାର କରିଥିଲେ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି Here is the status report dated 27/8/2024, submitted by the London Trial Court, which reveals that even though final charge sheet has been submitted on 10/3/2022, but the case is adjourned from time to time for consideration of charge due to non-availability of MO as well as C report. Mr. Devashish Pandal and counsel for the petitioner submits that since 3 months more have been passed in the meantime, the matter may be taken off. এটা লিখিত তো 27/8/2024 report status report dated 27/8/2024. Since in the meantime 3 months have passed, the matter may be taken off a week after to ascertain whether the C report has been received in the meantime, and also about the status of the trial. List this matter on 13th of December 2020. London Council for the State shall furnish a list of eyewitnesses who have specifically implicated the petitioner Upendra Naru and Vicky Banchor alias alias Vicky Banchor for in the assault of the deceased Shankar Mukhi and injured कौन सा नाटक बोले चेरू कालाट
इंजुरी रिपोर्ट ଅଛି ହାତରେ ଗୋଟେ ସିମ୍ପଲ
ସିଏ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 13/12/2024. Yes.
Item number 2.
What happened in the earlier bail application?
My lord, it is rejected from that, my lord.
माइक टाକୁ यूज କରନ୍ତୁ ଠିକ ସେ ଏଇଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ନା ଆଗୁରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ
It is fourth application, my lord.
ଫୋର୍ଥ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ
My lord, 2 times granted interim bail, my lord.
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ବେଲ୍
Last time, my lord, that is page 22.
PL number 10953 of 21.
My lord.
Order dated 36/2022.
My lord.
You are granted interim bail for 3 months.
3 months, my lord.
Achha.
In the case, my lord, charge sheet has been filed against 11 accused person, including present petition, my lord. And also, lordship granted bail to 3 accused person. 1 accused person has been granted bail by the Hon'Ble Justice D. Das, my lord.
No, ठीक है जी. वर्तमान पोजीशन कौन? Trial law.
According to 31 witnesses, 23 witnesses are examined, my lord. None of the witnesses were stated against the petitioner, my lord.
The position copy.
I lord submitted, my lord.
You submitted.
My lord.
State को ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
हाँ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
କେହି କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? 31ଟା ରୁ କେତେଟା ହେଲେଣି?
23, my lord.
31ଟା ରୁ 23 ହେଲେଣି କେହି କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି.
My lord. And
ପ୍ରଥମେ କେବେ when you are taken into custody?
Custody, my lord, that is
ଦୁଇ ଥର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି interim
ଏଟା
bail.
ତିନିଟା ଚାରିଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି. ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି ନା ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିଛ ବା
bail application annex annexure
18/6 ମାନେ 2018 ମାଇଲା କଷ୍ଟଡି
annexure 5 series ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
23 ରୁ 54 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ହଉଛି ଇଏ.
PW for the informant, PW 8 is the doctor.
You are granted interim bail twice,
my lord,
and you surrender at right time.
my lord.
So when you are taken into custody for the first time?
18/6/2018 my lord.
କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସାକ୍ଷୀ
ନା ସେ ନା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି କିଛି ଆଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟ୍
are the
କରେନା।
learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petition.
Two line
that the
statement.
petitioner was taken into judicial custody since
18/6 to
on 18/6/2018 due to delay in disposal of the trial. Twice the petitioner has been granted interim bail by this court, and each time after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. And in the trial court, out of 31 charge sheet witnesses, 23 witnesses have been examined, and none of them have stated anything specifically.
the criminal
against
antecedents are there.
petitioner in connection with the crime, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the petitioner has annexed the deposition copies of the witnesses as Annexure 5 series. Learned counsel for the state, after going through the deposition copies, though fairly submitted that the witnesses have not implicated the petitioner in the crime in question, submitted that there are criminal antecedents,
Two criminal
two criminal antecedents against the petitioner. Considering the submission, nature of accusation against the petitioner, nature of evidence adduced so far in the trial court, period of detention in judicial custody, conduct of the petitioner in complying with the earlier interim bail orders, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Shall appear before the trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activity or tamper with the evidence. Yes, allowed.
Item number 3.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is a case under section 302 and 34 of IPC.
Just a minute, madam. You have
CD received one day back because so I pray some other day. 27 तारीख
you have submitted the charge sheet, filed the charge sheet. It's a
Yes.
case under 302.
302, lordship.
What is your custody date?
Lordship, I am in custody since 25/8/2023.
25/8/2024.
23, lordship.
हाँ
2023.
2023 चार्ज शीट है 302 34 109 25 and 27 armed charge. What is the name of the deceased?
Manas Das alias Fateh Singh.
Manas Das.
Alias Fateh Singh.
Eyewitnesses are there.
Lordship.
What is the name of the eyewitness?
Lordship, one Gauri Malik, one Minati Behera.
Just a minute. गौरी मल्लिक रो स्टेटमेंट बाहर कले
Lordship, page number 75.
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କି
Lordship.
पेज 75 ରେ कोन अछि पढिले
ମୁଁ ଗୌରୀ ମଲ୍ଲିକ ମୋର ଆପଣ ନିକଟ ଦେବ ଆଇନି ଯେ ମାନସ ଘର ପାଖରେ ମୋର ଘର
ମାନସ ହଉଛି deceased
ଗତକାଲି ପ୍ରାୟ ରାତି 11ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିଲି। ଏହି ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ଓ ଗୁଳି ଫୁଟିବାର ଶବ୍ଦ ଶୁଣି ମୁଁ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସି ଦେଖିଲି ସାମସନ ଆହୁରି 6 ଜଣ 3ଟି ଗାଡିରେ ପଳାଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। ମାନସ ଘଟଣାସ୍ଥଳରେ ପଡିଛି। ମାନସର ସ୍କୁଟି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ଅଛି। ଏହାର କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ଘଟଣାସ୍ଥଳକୁ ଯାଇ ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଖ ଲୋକମାନେ ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ ମାନସ ଯୋଉ ରକ୍ତ ବାହାରୁଛି। ମୁଁ ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ ମାନସ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ଫୋନ କଲି। ଏହାପରେ ପୁଲିସ ଆସି ମାନସକୁ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନା ନେଲା। ଆଜି ସକାଳେ ଆମେ ଖବର ପାଇଲୁ ମାନସ ମରିଯାଇଛି। ମାନସକୁ ସାମସନ ଓ ତାର ସାଥୀ ମାନେ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି। ଆଜି ଘଟଣାର ତଦନ୍ତ ସମୟରେ ମୁଁ ଘଟଣାସ୍ଥଳରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିଲି। ଆପଣ ସେଠାରୁ କିଛି ପ୍ଲେନ ମାଟି ଓ ରକ୍ତ ଭିଜା ମାଟି ମାନସର ସ୍କୁଟିକୁ ଜବତ କରି ଜବତ ତାଲିକା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କଲେ।
ତ ୟା ନାଟା ଏ ପିଟିସନର ନା କୋନ
ହଲ୍ଲା ସିଂ।
हल्ला सिंह या ना की कोई जी
Yeah, Lordship, I am implicated in this case basing on the statement of the co-accused Johnny alias Prasanta Behera in the page number 51, Lordship.
Statement of Prashant Behera, he is a co-accused. Acha. This Prashant Behera is a co-accused or what?
Co-accused, Lordship.
अच्छा मोर बयान है कि जे मु सैमसन को जाने ता पाखरे मु केवल सैमसन नो स्त्री स्वांशो सैमसन नो जियो भीमपुरा रे थिबा एसटी समाज स्कूल रे स्वांशो पढ़े निरुपमा झील आनिबा करे 8-9 मास पूर्व मु गोटे केस रे सैमसन जेल ले थिबा समय मानव दास स्वांशो को अश्लील कथा लोकमान आगे शुणाई शुणाई कहिथिला जेल बाहरिया पर सैमसन निरुपमा ठारू सब शुणी मान से विषय पचारि से गाड़ी देवा सहित धमक देता निरुपमा को विभिन्न समय रास्ता घाट एकुटिया देखी अश्लील इंगित करी कमेंट मारुला विभिन्न खराब कथा कहूला सैमसन को विभिन्न समय अनेक लोक मान उपस्थित गाड़ी देउथला उत्क्षिप्त कला भली कथबार्ता करुला 31/8/2018 तारीख दिन सकाल प्राय 10टा बेले बालेश्वर ओभरब्रिज पाखे मानस पुणी सैमसन को देखी अश्लील भाषा कही इंगित देवारु से विषय बली बालियार बाबू मते कहले आपरे स्वांशो सैमसन दिया सहित आलोचना बुधिया रमेश को फोन कर डाकला तापर सैमसन और बाबू स्कूटी रे बुधिया और रमेश बुधियार मोटरसाइकिल रे गेंगुटी जाई स्वांशो स्वांग को आलोचना कले समान को संगे नहीं बालेश्वर आसले सैमसन स्कूटी रे से बाबू रमेश बुधिया मोटरसाइकिल रे बुधिया स्वांशो बसले बालेश्वर आसी राशि मानस कुमारी वाला फिर स्वांग जाए लगिले रातिर मन पिछले रात्रि वर्षा बालेश्वर पहुंचले बुधिया गोटे तेलंगा मुन्ना और कल को बुधिया फोन कर जोगाजोग मोटरसाइकिल में आसला सन्ध्या ओवर विश्राम को स्टेटमेंट रही जो आई विटनेस टा केवल सैमसन कथा कहूची सैमसन
अमर 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 मध्य कहूची किंतु स्पेसिफिक खाली कहूची आमे समस्त लैपटॉप लाजू बापी समस्ते गले स्कूटी रे बाबू रमेश बुधिया मोटरसाइकिल रे गले
नहीं जोटा तो अक्यूज स्टेटमेंट गुडा से सैमसन जेतबे जेल रे थिला ता स्त्री को ये जो
मिसबिहेव करथिला
हां ये मिसबिहेव कर से जो
दिस इज नॉट
फ्रीक्वेंट
दैट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पिंटू स्वाई
आसिला परे मध्य से चैलेंज कला परे भी से ये होनी सेथि पई से रागरे
आउट ऑफ ग्रॉस दे हैव लिमिटेड दैट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पिंटू स्वाई पेज 54
or the learned counsel for the petition your Khushbu Panigrahi
Lordship.
Khushbu Panigrahi land counsel appearing virtual high court Baleswar submits that the petition is in judicial constitutions 25/8/23 charge sheet has been submitted under section 302-34-109 of the IPC and section 25 and 27 of the Arms Act. The occurrence in question took place on 1/9/2018 and the eyewitnesses have stated specific overtact, implicated specific overtact against one Samsung na Samson. So far as the petitioner is concerned, he has been implicated on the basis of the confessional statement of co-accused and before police, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state placed the statement of eyewitnesses Gauri Malik and Minoti Behera. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the fact that the implication of the petitioner is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police, taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to tamper with the evidence, appear before the London trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activity. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed.
Much against.
Item number 4.
ବୁଝିପାରିଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଗରୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
No, my lord. One bail application of the juvenile disposed of by
ଫିଲ୍
lordship on
କରିଥିଲି
annexure 4. I have annexed page 27.
ଅଫେନ୍ସ କ'ଣ
Charge sheet submitted under section 302/201 by 34 of the IPC.
302/0134
Again,
କଷ୍ଟଡି କେବେଠୁ
custody since my lord 2/4/2022, my lord. 2.5 years.
ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନା କ'ଣ
Vignoraj Putel.
ଆଁ
Vignoraj Putel, my lord. Date of
ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଅକରେନ୍ସ
28/3/2022, my lord. FIR lodged 3 days after, my lord. 31/3/2022. Against unknown person.
ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସେସ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି
No, my lord.
କ'ଣ
Confess-
ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଅଛି
Confession of the co-accused. Present 27. One spade was recovered.
କନଫେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହୁ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍
Petitioner as well as co-accused.
27 ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ଆକ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇନଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସରେ କ'ଣ
Spade ଗୋଟେ recovery ହେଇଛି from the will of another person who has not been examined by the
ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ନା।
କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
that I have not gone through that.
ସେଇଆ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି heard the learned counsel for the petition, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 2/4/2022 and he has been charge sheeted under section 302/201/34 of the Indian Penal Code. The occurrence in question took place on 28/3/2022 and first information report was lodged on 31/3/2022 against unknown person. And there are no eyewitnesses to the occurrence. Case is based on circumstantial evidence and apart from the confessional statement of the petitioner before police and confession of co-accused before police, there is material on record that one spade was recovered at the instance of the petitioner on the basis of his statement recorded under section 27 of the Evidence Act,
The wife
bail.
of the deceased.
and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered.
Oh,
କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କି
and wife also involves in the occurrence that
ଆଁ
wife himself is involved.
ୱାଇଫ୍ ମାନେ ହଁ
Deceased wife
ଆଇ ୱିଟନେସ୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ଠିକ ତ ଆଉ
ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁରେଶ
page 28 minute kind of blank.
ସୁରେଶ ପଟେଲ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଗରୁ ଆରତୀ ପଟେଲ କୈଳାସ ପଟେଲ ସହିତ ବେଟଘାଟ କଥା ହେଉଥିବାର ବିଘ୍ନରାଜ ପଟେଲ ଦେଖିଲା ଏ କଥାକୁ ନେଇ ବିଘ୍ନରାଜ ପଟେଲ ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଆରତୀ ମଧ୍ୟରେ
ଏଇଟା ତ ସେଇ ଛୁଆ କେସରେ ବି ଡିଟେଲ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଯେ ଏଇଟା କୋଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ର ଇଏ ନାହିଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଏଭିଡେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ and counsel for the petitioner further submit that the co-accused Sukru Patel has already been directed to be released on bail apart from other grounds on the ground of his young age, and therefore the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. And counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail, considering the submission nature of accusation against the petitioner, absence of any direct evidence, nature of circumstantial evidence, and period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Same condition.
the condition
The usual condition
Male.
appear karibe.
Item 5.
Ready ଅଛି Case diary, my lord, in another case.
Another
7935. They have to.
Another case.
No, another.
Another case में कौन?
Two
case
to-
में
No,
आपने
okay,
रोची ना नहीं बोली?
accused. पंच नंबर पे।
7 लेकिन 7 9 2 3 6 तो नहीं.
सब डेट
नहीं.
Case diary in 7935. Perhaps another co-accused, perhaps their case.
हमको accused इधर कहीं ना
नहीं.
Mr. Panda is saying that he is the sole accused in
But
this.
here the officer indicated that 7935 case date is not tagged with this record.
7975 ना 35?
7935.
ना तेरा was 75
नहीं case
Oh,
date 7923
35
35.
ना 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 सेमतिया किसी आदर नहीं हम एटी जो ऑफिस भी जोड़ा ये करची तादर भी केवल
Shall verify this charge sheet is not
petitioner
tagged with
appear
the record.
approach this court as it appears in
withdrawn
PLAPL 76994 of 22.
Hmm.
जेटा कौन है ला मिस्टर
withdrawn
withdraw ये
नहीं non prosecution
वर्तमान
Shall explain the final form.
has commenced.
yeah
This is a case
hmm
where a dead body was found
hmm
lying inside a lodge
okay
on the outskirts of Bhubaneswar railway station.
hmm
The body was identified to be that of a retired railway
okay
who after retirement was selling tickets.
hmm
And thereafter his family members were contacted. They came and identified the body.
Hmm.
The wife, younger brother and son.
hmm
They have been now examined as PWs 1 to 3.
hmm
And they have stated that we do not know the accused.
Hmm.
And they have stated that getting information we came, saw the body, identified the body.
no whatever any eyewitness is there
I am coming to it.
yeah
What happened is, this petitioner was taken into custody on the basis of CCTV footage. And while in custody, he allegedly made an extrajudicial confession.
kebe नहीं आया
That is on 6/1/2020,
6/1/2020
my lords.
hmm
So this confession was made by him in the presence of two persons, Prabhat Kumar Parida and Sachikanta Swai.
confession before police
Yes, police in the presence of two outsiders.
wow.
Now, therefore, your lordship may kindly look at order dated 8/11/2020.
8/11
2020.
हाँ
Pursuant to an earlier order, those two persons have already been examined.
You took time to produce the deposition copy.
Yes, yes, we have already filed the deposition. They are at flag Z.
Hmm. They have not supported the
No,
petition.
they have stated that while the accused was in police custody, he has confessed before them that he was asked by the old man to book a lodge for him. He took the old man into the lodge, and then finding that the old man had money, he assaulted the old man.
That is the confession.
Yes, that is the confession.
So another thing, Mr. Panda, if in that very order,
My lord.
I asked you to give the names, address, and documents of two local sureties.
Yes, I have given that.
And what is the verification?
That state is verifying.
We have to verify gas.
कौन आसिला report कौन आसिला?
Land particulars and report submitted Tahsil Balipatna. They have reported with reference to the.
Your lordship may see order dated
Yes.
22/11.
Surety or document upon
Basanta Kumar Naik, Sarat Naik, Prasanta Naik, or Basundraban Naik cast conduct advice. From field inquiry, it is found that the RI have the recorded tenant are possessing over this suit land. The 3% document that provided RI report with reference to the letter on subject cited above on verification of ROR number 2 Bharatpur, it is found that the khata number 1616/197 plot number 1757 of area such and such Kisam Sarada Jala, the fossil stands recorded in the name of Vasanta Kumar Naik, Sarat Kumar Naik, Prasanta Kumar Naik, son of Vrindavan Naik, Jati Khandata of Bahirapur. From the field inquiry report is found that recorded tenant are possessing over the suit land. The lands recorded in their name.
In the name of the surety.
Basanta Bharata Sarat.
ସେ କାହା ନାଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ କୋଉ ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ସେ ବସନ୍ତ କୁମାର ଆରୱାର ଥିଲା ବସନ୍ତ ନାୟକ ଶରତ ନାୟକ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ନାୟକ
ଆରୱାର ନାହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଦିଟା ସିଉରିଟି ନାଁ
ସେ
ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ସିଉରିଟି
If your lordship will kindly look at order dated 22/11, your lordship has noted that learned counsel for state has produced written instruction received from the IIC Lakshmi Sagar, wherein it is mentioned that sureties are genuine, land documents are also authentic.
no, that is the okay. We just want that who are the surety. If that is that name is to be mentioned.
ପଟ୍ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସିଉରିଟିର ବସନ୍ତ ଶରତ and ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ
ବସନ୍ତ କୁମାର ନାୟକ ଗୋଟେ,
ବସନ୍ତ କୁମାର ନାୟକ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କିଏ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ବିଜୟ କୁମାର ସାହୁ।
ଦି ଜଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସିଉରିଟି ପାଇଁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବିଜୟ ସାହୁର କଣ ଆସିଲା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଏଇଟା
ଆସିଲା
details were
possession
filed by
that
a
both
memo dated 8/11.
the undersigned villager stated the Vijay Kumar Sahu son of BC Sahu village sergeant possessing over the following scheduled land. Both are the recorded tenants.
You are in custody since 6/1/2020.
ହଁ 1/20/20
Are the land counsel for the petitioner, land counsel for the state, land counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 6/1/2020. And in the meantime, trial has commenced and no clinching evidence has come on record so far. The who order ବଳରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦିଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଯୋଉ
ସେଇଟା ହେଲା that is your lordship order dated 23/8/2024.
he further submits that as per the order dated 23/8/2024, two witnesses, namely Prabhat Farida and Shashikant Swain, they have been examined in
as
the
PW 4 and 5.
As PW 4 and PW 5, and they have supported the prosecution case, but stated that the confessional statement was made in presence of the while the petitioner was in police custody. Considering the land counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail, and considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the nature of evidence available on record, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that Vashant Kumar Naik and Vijay Kumar Sahu shall be the two local sureties for the petitioner, and the petitioner shall appear before the London trial court on each date to which the case be posted, and he shall not try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and condition shall entail cancellation of bail. Mr. Panda submits Prathamo that earlier the petitioner approached this court in BLAPL number 7694 of 2020 with 2022, but the said bail application was dismissed for non-prosecution as per order dated 27/3/2023. All right. Yeah.
Urgent copy.
Yes.
Item 6.
May plus. Your mind of the
May I please, Your Lordship? Lord, item 7, I pray Your Lordship to take it up on next week, my lord. I'll argue this matter physically.
All right, Mr. Chandan Samantrail and counsel appearing through virtual mode submits that the matter may be taken up next week. Place this matter on 6th December 2024. Okay.
Oh, blessed.
Item 8,
May I please, Your Lordship? In the case, my lord, with the 21C and 29 of the NDPS Act, my lord,
There you see.
as the last occasion he submitted that he received the case diary. And he was on bail, interim bail, my lord.
Three bail applications in this.
Bail, page 40, my lord. Page 40,
No,
well,
item number 8.
first method.
Bail application.
First and third the connective matter.
First method, I am placing first method.
Third matter is connective matters. But second matter is not another arranging out of another.
Second sub-item is concerned, that is regarding another case, not related to.
You 8 9 3 सुनता.
That is application number 8930.
This is not connected to that.
Sub-item 2.
अच्छा, okay. आगे इटा sorry जाओ. এটা ଗୋଟେ କଣ interim bill file କରିଛନ୍ତି କଣ?
ସେଟା କରିଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ it was not considered. as-
item number 8 ର BLAPL number 8929 of 24, IN number 1148 of 24. This is an application for interim bail. Learned counsel for the petitioner does not want to press this interim application. Accordingly, IA is disposed of. ହେଲା? ବାକି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ନା first time?
ଆଗରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ. Your
କେବେ?
lordship has granted interim bail, my lord.
Last time କେବେ ଆସିଥିଲେ?
Actually, your lordship has granted bail, my lord, interim bail on 23/4/2024 as well as 40, my lord, in BLAPL number 8317/2023, your lordship. Page 40 of my
3 ମାସ ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ?
lordship.
ଠିକ ସମୟରେ surrender
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଲେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଠିକ ସମୟ।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ଆସିଲା ରିପୋର୍ଟ କଣ? ରିପୋର୍ଟ କେସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଜ ରେ ଅଛି?
Out of 27 witnesses, my lord,
27
report has come 7 witnesses examined, my lord.
Alright, you are right. 7টা witness examining. Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner approached this court last time in BLAPL number 8317 of 2023, and by the order dated 23/4/2024, he was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months, and after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. And at present, only 7 witnesses have been examined in the trial court out of 27 charge sheet witnesses, and in view of the delayed disposal of the trial, since the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on 2/3/2021, the
3/3/2023.
3/3/21, the bail application may be favorably judged. And counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail considering the submission, the period of detention in judicial custody, the conduct of the petitioner in complying with the earlier interim order, and further taking into account the status report submitted by the London trial court, wherein it is mentioned that out of 27 charge sheet witnesses, 7 witnesses have been examined. I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for 3 months. Yes.
The condition may be imposed.
ଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇଥିଲା same condition ରହି.
Bail application 9093.
ହଁ
9093 bail application.
ଆପଣ ଯାଇଥିଲେ interim bail ରେ?
Twice like
ସେଇ ଟାଇପ ର କରିଦେବେ। ଡେଟ୍ କେବେ ଆପଣ କଷ୍ଟଡି?
Study say 2-3
ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା BLAPL number 9093 ଟା 3 months ହେଲା। Okay, ଆପଣଙ୍କଟା କଣ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରହିଛି?
20B2C NDPS Act, my lord, your lordship last occasion confirm the status report, that is flag R, my lord, and I am in custody in 27/6/2020.
flag R ରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଚାର୍ଜ ଫ୍ରେମ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ 20 ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ୱିଟନେସ ରୁ 5ଟା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି।
My lord.
That is the report dated 22/10/24.
27/6/2020 ରୁ ଅଛି କଷ୍ଟଡି ରେ। 27/6/2020। My lord, sir, I am, my lord, belonging to my lord Chhattisgarh, my lord.
ତାକୁ ଇଏଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ତାର ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଭେରିଫିକେସନ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଲୋକାଲ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦେବେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ Period the status report submitted by the London Trial Court dated 22/10/2024, which indicates that out of 20 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined so far. London Counsel for the State submits that since the petitioner is a man from district Durg in the state of Chhattisgarh, he may be given some time to verify whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. Let the Superintendent of Police Malkangiri make necessary correspondence with Superintendent of Police Durg district in the state of Chhattisgarh. A report be produced by the Land and Council. So go to Saptah par rakhiye. Yes.
Item 9.
9 make this last one. Order dated 27/9/2024. Also call for the CD and status report of the trial, my lord.
CD ଆସିଗଲା
CDC and status.
ସିଡିଟା ସିଡି ଆଜି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଆସିନି ଖାଲି ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ସିଡିଟା ପ୍ରେସ୍ ସମଦଟ
No, he's in custody 31/7/2020.
ଅଫେନ୍ସ କ'ଣ କମର୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି
My lord.
ୟେସ୍
କେବେଠୁ ରହିଛନ୍ତି
31/7/2020.
କେଜି
31
7/2020.
2020ରୁ
My lord.
କେତେଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଲାଣି
Last call ଦିଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ତାପରେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ call for the status report of the trial, my lord.
ଷ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କହୁଛି ପ୍ରସିକ୍ୟୁସନ କେସ୍ କ୍ଲୋଜ ହେଇଗଲା ତାପରେ ଆକ୍ୟୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତାପରେ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ହେଇକି ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବଣି ଆଉ ଏ ଷ୍ଟେଜରେ ବେଲ୍ କ'ଣ ନେବେ Period the status report submitted by the London Trial Court dated so which indicates that after closure of the prosecution case, accused statement has been recorded and the case was posted to 25/11/2024 for argument after closure of the defense evidence in view of the stage of trial and I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. He has rejected. Next.
Oh, bless, my lord.
Item 10.
My lordship. Your lordship was pleased to call for the status report by virtue of the order dated 11/11/2024, my lord. And
Argument by Royland. 25/10/2024.
yes, my lord. Initially,
Can I submit before lordship with the permission of the?
I am the counselor petitioner. I am
Yes.
permitted to place
Okay,
the argument.
proceed.
Thereafter, you have a
Argument by Royland.
Argument has been completed because I am personally appearing on behalf of the prosecutor.
Fine.
Defense argument has been completed.
Your lordship,
Prosecution case
fine.
has been closed. It is best known to the court.
The London Council for
Can, with my lord's permission, I submit one thing, my lord.
perusal of the status report indicates that the dated 21/10/2024 indicates that the case was posted to 4/12
My lord, case was posted for argument, my lord.
just a minute, the dated pratham date. Eta to 16 evuda 16/11/2024 indicates that the case was case is posted to 4/12/2024 for argument lekhaiji.
No, case was posted for argument since 11/11/2022, my lord.
Acha.
Case was posted for the purpose of argument since 11/11/2022, my lord.
11/11/22
क्यों my lord? 11/11/2022 ରେ argument ବି ରହୁଛି।
ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 16/11/2024 indicates that the 4/12/2024 for argument. However, Mr. Devasnan Das Land Council submits that after the accused statement was recorded on 11/11/2022,
Yes, ma'am.
the case was posted for argument and it was adjourned from time to time. And Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Considering the land counsel for the informant oppose the prayer for
Can
bail.
I submit with your lordship's permission?
Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, it is directed that the land trial court shall positively hear the argument on 4/12/2024 if there is no other impediment, and finish the argument within by 8th of by within a week পর্যন্ত, है within a week, and no adjournment shall be granted to any of the parties, and thereafter the judgment shall be pronounced. At this stage, I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Order copy be communicated to the land and trial court for compliance. Yes. Okay.
Item 11.
Please, for a lot.
কি কথা মুচলে জানি
Earlier, one comprehensive affidavit at flag G was filed. After obtaining the copies, my lords, the deponent is filing a fresh compliance affidavit, which may kindly be taken along with the copies of what I have already served to my London State Council yesterday to verify.
verify that.
Yes, verified.
Comprehensive affidavit जोटा काली देइचन आपन that you verify, हला?
Yes, verified.
काली देइचन verify कर दीजन?
Already verified.
कौन आसिला?
One case is pending and another copy.
No. आपन जोटा काली देइचन ताको verify करचन? अच्छा.
I have given in the first hour, lordship. I have also given the copies, my lord, in serial number 11, my lords.
Only 11.
Serial number 11, my lords, page 48, lordship. I have flag marked lordship's kind convenience.
Varieties of cases,
Yes,
395.
Yes.
And
In those cases, my lords,
Arms Act.
yes, I have submitted the orders, my lords.
No, you are released on bail. That does not mean that you will go on committing crime one after another.
Only one.
That shows that you are flouting the terms and condition of the bail order.
My lord, Lordship,
You are an accused in since 2010. You are an accused in different cases, and it goes on and on.
What I
And
pray before your Lordship, my lords.
yes,
Your Lordship may kindly put any stringent condition
No, no,
because
no, no.
I am in
15
custody
lakh.
since 21/4/21, Lordship.
yes, sir.
And also, Lordship, kindly see the order dated, Lordship, 27/9/2004. Your Lordship, this petitioner was before your Lordship, my lords. In page 13, my lords, on BLAPL 4007 of 2024, my lords. Your Lordship has been pleased to dispose of on 19/7/2024, Lordship. And Lordship, kindly.
Yes, sir. This order is with me.
Yes, Lordship. Thereafter, my lords, on after filing this, my lords, on 27/9/2024, Lordship, kindly see the order, my lords.
That I have stated that you can renew the prayer after the examination of
Yes,
the
Lordship.
eyewitness
Yes.
Sunil Mandal.
Yes, Lordship. Page 16 in the present bail application, my lords, I have annexed to that page 16, Lordship. And
what happened to that eyewitness?
my lord, he has turned hostile. And after this,
Where
my
is
lords,
that evidence?
yes, Lordship, page 16, Lordship. And on 27/9, Lordship, 13/9, Lordship, both the bail applications were before your Lordship, my lords. Earlier on 19/7, and on 39, your Lordship has been pleased to release also one Isaac Ali, my lords. I have also.
No, your bail application I have rejected in July 2024.
Yes, Lordship. Thereafter, I have filed. No, on that day, along with me, my lord, this Isaac Ali bail application was also had by your Lordship.
Right. So
Lordship, up to your Lordship.
that was allowed. You are rejected.
No, that was rejected both on that day. Thereafter, on 13/9, bail of Isaac was allowed, basing on the same copy of deposition of that Sunil Mandal. And Lordship, on the last occasion, on 27 line, has been pleased to direct my lord to file a comprehensive affidavit. And on 11/11, your Lordship has been pleased to direct the London State Council to take instruction.
This comprehensive affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. Earlier, it was filed on flag G, but after obtaining the copies in 15 cases.
You received it yesterday. What instruction you have taken? And to whom you have sent this comprehensive affidavit?
From the IH confirm.
Where is the letter?
My lord.
Where is the letter that you have sent this comprehensive affidavit? Let us see and what instruction you have received. Mr. Counsel, I am asking you a pertinent question. You said dated 29/11/2024, indicating the status of 15 criminal cases against the petitioner. The Learning Counsel for the state, when asked a pertinent question as to whether he has received this comprehensive affidavit, he said he answered in affirmative that he received it yesterday. And when I asked him that whether you have taken instruction on the affidavit, the answer was also affirmative. When a query is made that when this affidavit was sent to the concerned IIC for verification and what is the report of the IIC, the Land Council again said that
Sorry, madam.
he has not obtained any instruction. This is an unfortunate state of affair that such type of submission is made by a London State Council. Let the State Council obtain specific instruction on the comprehensive affidavit. Matter will be listed on 6th of December 2024.
Item 13.
Not petitioner before
The London Council for the state shall obtain case diary in the meantime. Yes.
Item 14.
My lords, I'm
I
appealing
prefer
through
last
VC.
chance because
My lords, I'm appealing through VC. My lords, I humbly pray, my lords, to appear on behalf of my senior, Mr. Shyam Manohar.
Yes.
My lords, my lords, I'm in JC since since last 3 years, 10 months. My lords, as per the last dates, my lords, as per the last date, my lord, the state, my lords, as per the last date, the state asked to take some instructions from the concerned police station regarding the conduct of the petitioner while I was on interim bail. My lords, but the same was yet not there. My lords, my lords have enlarged me on interim bail. My lords, it's our fifth. It's our fifth bail application.
The report is that you have flouted the terms and condition.
My
and
lords, my lords, I would like to come over it. My lords, we have mentioned it on annexure number 2. My lords, the only reason while I was not able to surrender was like my mother passed away while I was in jail. My lords, when I came out, my father's medical conditions got like deteriorated. My lords, I'm the only breadwinner in the family. And my lords, there was one more reason. My lords, I was not that financially capable to hire a lawyer to file an extension application for the interim bail. My lords, it's there on annexure number. My lords. My lords, I'm the sole breadwinner of the family, and my lords, my father's health is also not well.
when you are granted interim bail,
My lords, I granted interim bail on my lords on 29/9/2022. My lords, it was the third bail application.
which BLAPL?
My lords, it was bail appeal number 3494 of 2022. My lords.
And you are supposed to surrender on what date?
My lords, I'm not very specific. I don't
And
know about that.
your case, the case, you did not surrender. And when you surrendered?
My lords, my lords, the only instructions I got from my senior was that my lords, I myself went to the police station to my lords to surrender to the police. My lords, in my lords, parallelly also, I've not misused the liberty granted by my lords, but there were very genuine reasons behind that. So my lords, I humbly pray, my lords, to do, my lords, to grant me whatever relief, my lords.
With the status report submitted by the London Trial Court dated 22/10/2024, which indicates that the petitioner absconded, violating the terms and condition of the bail order granted by this court. In view of the conduct of the petitioner, I am not inclined to
Melods,
release.
one minute. Melods,
Yes,
one
next.
final submission. Melods,
Next submission.
Melods.
Next, yes.
Item 15.
Yes, item
Yes, my lord.
15.
Under section 20B NDPS Act, main accused already acquittal in district court Nayagarh.
Hmm.
Already two incident case re bail ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ.
Okay, ji. What is the offense here? 20B, 20 and 25 and 29 NDPS. You have received the case diary? My lord. What are the materials against this petitioner? He is the helper of the vehicle. 400 kg and 500 grams. You are apprehended at the spot. Spot match. Since when you are in custody?
4/9/2020
4/9/2020.
2020 yes
ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ interim bail ରେ?
ହଁ yes interim bail ଯାଇଥିଲା.
Last time କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ?
1 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 2022 15 दिन पे ଯାଇଥିଲେ.
By which order you are granted?
और incident case ଦିଟା bail already release.
ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରୁଛି ଏଇ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
କେସ୍ ରେ ଆପଣ ବେଲ ରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ କି?
କେବଳ interim bail ଯାଇଥିଲା.
କୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର ରେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ? ଅର୍ଡର କାହିଁ?
5309
5309 ଅର୍ଡର.
BLFL number 5309/21.
The 5309 ର ଅର୍ଡର ହଉଛି 27/9/2022 ରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହଉଛି ଯେ peruse the letter dated 15/9/2022 of the learned additional session judge from which it appears that the petitioner after availing the interim bail period has not surrendered on the date fixed for which non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him. Therefore, I rejected the bail application. So, in that BLAPL 5309.
Yes, madam.
So, interim bail was granted and you did not surrender. Thereafter, when you surrendered?
21/9/2023.
So, after 1 year.
Yes, madam.
Are the learned counsel for the petitioner? Learned counsel for the state, since the petitioner has flouted the terms and conditions of the interim bail order granted in BLAPL number 5309 of 2021. I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Rejected. Next.
Item 16.
16. May I please to submit your lordship? Petitioner is in custody since 4 years 9 months, my lord. Offense under section 20B 2C of the NDPS Act. Earlier occasion, your lordship, by BLAPL number 344 of 24 by order dated 25/24. Your lordship has granted 3 months interim bail after verifying his address statement and bailer and everything, my lord. And now, my lord, as per my instruction, out of 19, only one witness has been
You
examined.
surrender at right time?
Yes, my lord. Last bail order is at annexure 2, page 15. I have annexed, my lord. Only one witness has been examined.
You are a local man or outsider?
No, my lord. Outsider. Your lordship has verified the address statement and bailer or
It's all right.
everything.
I have to obtain the status report about the case. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits.
Lordship
That,
directed on 27/9/24, my lord. This order, last
27/9.
order. Yes, my lord. 27/9/24.
Status report has come, देखिए. In this case, just 5 witnesses have been examined out of 19.
Lordship has also directed the state to obtain whether he has violated any terms and
Yes,
conditions
what
while
is
on
your
interim bail.
report? Report, my lord.
He surrendered in right time, my lord.
Or the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Learned Counsel for the states. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on 9/2/2020. And taking into account the period of detention in judicial custody and delayed disposal of the trial, this court in BLAPL number 344 of 2023 by the order dated 20/5/2024 granted interim bail for a period of 3 months, and after availing the same, he surrendered at right time. As per the previous order of this court, the Learned Counsel for the state has produced the written instruction received from Inspector in charge of Ulunda Police Station dated 28/11/2024, which indicates that the petitioner has not flouted the terms and conditions imposed during the interim bail, and he has surrendered before the London trial court in right time, and he has good conduct during the interim bail period. The report is taken on record. The status report of the London trial court indicates that out of 19 charge sheet witnesses, 5 witnesses have been examined. Considering the submission made by the London Counsel for the respective parties, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, and conduct of the petitioner in complying with the earlier interim bail orders, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months from the date of release, and the petitioner shall surrender before the London trial court immediately on expiry of the 3 months. And the Sesadev Sethi and Lakshmi Bagarti were the bailers for the petitioner in the earlier occasion when bail was granted by this court in BLAPL number 344 of 2023 shall be the 2 local sureties for the petitioner. Yes.
Item 17.
May I please? On last occasion, your lordship directed to obtain CD and CM lot.
My lord, in respect to the order dated 11/11/2024, my lord, they received the case date on 25/11/2024, but we have not received the criminal antecedent.
You have received the case diary.
Case diary, my lord.
What is the offense here?
Offense under section 395 IPC, read with 25 and 27 arms act, my lord.
What are the materials against you?
Material, my lord, only allegation that one of the accused person called the name of the present petitioner a Pakua to out Dilu Gadi start
not identified in the TI parade.
TI parade, my lord.
What is
The present petitioner name is there, my lord.
Huh?
Present petitioner name is there, my lord. One, yes, not one Pakua. And
Pakua?
Yes, not.
ନାଇଁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଡକାଡକି ହଉଥିଲେ ଜଣେ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜଡ ଆଉ ଜଣକୁ ଡାକୁଥିଲା ପାକୁଆ.
Yes, not.
So identification ଦରକାର ନା ପାକୁଆ
Identification TI parade is not.
TI parade ହେଇଛି କି?
No, my lord.
No,
ହେଇନି.
no.
Your lordship in similar
ଆପଣ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେ ହେଇଯିବ ପ୍ରମାଣ ହେଇଯିବ ପାକୁଆ କଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲୋକ ନା ପାକୁଆ ଅଛି? କଣ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ସେ କରୁଛି?
My lord, in similar situation, my lord, another person, your lordship was granted bail, my lord, in BLAPL number 1409 of 2015.
Learned Counsel for the petition, Learned Counsel for the state. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
23rd July 2024.
23rd July 2024. And the main allegation against the petitioner is that one, co-accused was calling the petitioner by his name, inverted comma, Bitere Pakua. And the investigating officer has not paid for any test identification parade to be conducted. And one of the co-accused has already been granted bail in BLAPL number 1409 of 2015. And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Learning counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that the case is of the year 2006 and with much difficulty the petitioner has been taken into custody, and at this stage if will be granted bail he is likely to abscond. Considering the submission nature of evidence accusation and available on record against the petitioner, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall appear before the learned trial court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and he shall also appear before the IIC of Konark Police Station once in a week on every Sunday till the conclusion of the trial, and shall not indulge in any criminal activities. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes.
Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, custody since 7/9/2020, my Lord. Out of 60 charge sheeted witness, only 11 has been examined till date, my Lord. Similarly situated persons have already granted interim bail, which is annexed under Annexure 5, my Lord. Last occasion, Your Lordship has directed state to verify.
What is the offense here? 302.
My Lord, 20B,
20B of the
25, 27, 29 of NDPS Act and 302 and other offences, my Lord.
So why they were granted interim bail?
Due to delay in trial.
That is Annexure 5. That order was passed on 22/7/24. But you are in custody since when?
7/9/2020.
7/9/2020.
My Lord.
Merit reject ହେଇଛି delayed disposal trial ପାଇଁ 3 ମାସ bail ଦିଆଯାଇଛି. Yes, Mr. जो डेट टा कहउଛନ୍ତି ठीक 7/9/2020 चार्ज शीट ଦେଖିଦେଲେ.
Charge sheet I have already.
You have annexed?
yes, charge sheet.
अच्छा आना कौन ହେଲା?
There are 3 petitioners.
ଗୁଡାଏ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
ଦାସମନ୍ତ ଜାନି
ଚାରିଟା
4 ଜଣ.
4 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି. ଦଶମନ୍ତ ଜାନି କାହିଁ?
ଦଶମନ୍ତ ଜାନି.
Accused number କେତେ? ଦଶମନ୍ତ ଜାନି ହଉଛି forwarded on 7/9 ଠିକ ଅଛି. ଦଶମନ୍ତ 7/9/2020. ତାପରେ ହେଲା ନାରାୟଣ ଜାନି.
In this case, my first 9/7/35, there are 2 petitioners, Dasmant Jani and Bhadra Bhatra.
Bhadra.
କିଏ?
Bhadra Bhatra.
ଭଦ୍ରା.
With the
ନାଇଁ,
bill number
item
10059.
18 ରେ ଚାରିଟା bail application tag ହେଇଛି. ତ
For first bail application, there are 2 petitioners. They both
अच्छा
are
अच्छा
arrested.
जस्ट a minute आधे ଦି ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ହଁ ଭଦ୍ରା ଭତ୍ରା ସେ କେବେଠୁ ଅଛି
My lord, from 7/9/2020.
ଦେଖିବା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଟା କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇଲେ ଭଦ୍ରା ଭତ୍ରା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ରେ କି ନାହିଁ ତ ସେ
My lord, Chakra Bhatra is just.
ଭଦ୍ରା ଭତ୍ରା ଅଛି ହଁ 7/9/20 ଠିକ ଅଛି
Chakra Bhatra.
that is accused page 331 ରେ ଅଛି
My lord.
ଇଏ ବାକି ଏଗୁଡା କଣ is a connected matter
My lord. There are 36 persons.
ହଁ ନାରାୟଣ ଜାନି କେବେ
From the same date, my lord.
Same date.
My lord.
Jaydev Jani same
My lord.
are the London Council for the petitioners London Council for the state ଗୋଟେ order କରିଦେବେ the London Council for the petitioners submitted that the petitioners so in BLAPL so petitioners so in BLAPL are in judicial custody since 7/9/2020 and due to delayed disposal of the trial two of the co-accused persons namely Gulab Kumar Kumbhar and Guruchat Kumbhar have been kiye college interim bail
My lord. One Rising Jani.
acha one Rising Jani alias Rising Goudo
And
alias Jani
Bhagat Kumar
has been released on interim bail for a period of 3 months au ki jaiji
Bhagat Kumar
similarly Bhagat Kumar
Gaurang Mandal
and Gaurang Mandal have been directed to be released on interim bail for 3 months
and Subhash Barman.
Just a minute. In BLAPL number 5596 of 2021 and BLAPL number 8973 of 2022, by order dated 22/9/2023, and one Subhash Barman has been directed to be released on bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 8072 of 23 by order dated 12/4/2024. One Manik Harijan has been directed to be released on interim bail for a period of 3 months as per order dated 6/9/2024 in BLAPL number 2752 of 2023.
And
Pavitra Mandal
in BLAPL number 7684 of 23, order dated 4/3/24. Same 3 months, na?
My lord.
And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state, after going to the case diary, to also the bail orders of the co-accused persons fairly submitted that the petitioners are similarly situated. Considering the submission made by Land Council for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the slow progress of the trial, and release of the similarly situated co-accused persons on interim bail, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months. Some of them this goes on. Yes.
Item 19.
Section 20B2C of the my lord. Petitioner in custody since 24/8/2024, my lord. Meanwhile, in this case, 6 accused persons involved.
24/8/2024 ରୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି
My lord. In the meanwhile, 6 accused persons involved in this case, my lord. Already 5 accused persons faced their trial and released and acquitted, my lord.
In this case, my lord, last case, my lordship call for the antecedent.
Antecedent.
Criminal antecedent.
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଏପଟେ ଗୋଟେ କାହାକୁ ବସଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟାଫ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବେ ନା ସିଏ ଆଣିକି ଦେଇଦବ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କଲେ ଇଏ ହବ କାହାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବସାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉମାନେ
nothing adverse
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଇଏ କଣ ଆସିଲା ଇଏ confession of co-accused or the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/8/2024 and his implication in the case is based on confessional statement of co-accused before police and after going through the report furnished by the learned counsel for the report of the IAC Dhannupoli police station Sambalpur furnished by the learned counsel for the state that the petitioner has got no criminal antecedent and keeping in view the ratio laid down in the case of Tufan Singh versus Wanso, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. He shall appear before the learned trial court on his date if the case shall be posted to Hon'Ble. But the usual condition is allowed. Either occupancy report yes.
Item 20.
May I please? Last occasion on 11th November, by order number 2, your lordship has been pleased to call for the status report.
Status report देखेला छटा witness examine कला ପରେ ଯୋଗେଶ୍ୱର ହେମୁଣ୍ଡୁ ମାନେ ଏଇ ପିଟିସନର abscond କରିଗଲା 1/6/2019 ରେ ତା ପାଇଁ କେସ୍ ସ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ତାପରେ 2024 ରେ ସେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲା 5 ବର୍ଷ absconder ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କେସ୍ ରହିଛି production of co-accused Chandan Naik. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state, review the status reports furnished by the learned trial court, which indicates that after examination of 6 prosecution witnesses, the petitioner absconded on 1/6/2019, for which the case was splitted off, and he surrendered on 18/9/2024. Since the petitioner absconded and flouted the terms and condition of the interim bail order for more than 5 years, I am not inclined to release the petitioner on bail. The learned trial court shall expedite the trial.
My co-accused persons has been granted bail. Lordship may direct for early disposal of the case.
Early disposal. Expedite trials. Mr. Naik, the rest of the matter next week. So,
Obliged. Next.